Now we consider this sum number 11 of exercise 6.5, which says an aeroplane leaves an airport and flies due north. Okay, so this is the position of the aeroplane. It is flying due north and covering a distance of AC. It flies due north at a speed of 1000 kilometers per hour. What is the speed of the first plane? It is 1000 kilometers per hour. Distance covered is AC. तो speed है आपके पास, AC is the distance. Now, at the same time, another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 kilometers per hour. At the same time, another plane is moving due west. This is your west direction. Okay? ये आपकी नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन है, ये वेस्ट डायरेक्शन है. तो ये डिस्टेंस ए बी कवर कर रहा है वो सेकंड प्लेन. एट व्हाट स्पीड? एट अ स्पीड ऑफ 1200 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर. फाइन. सो एट द सेम टाइम another aeroplane leaves the same airport and flies due west at a speed of 1200 kilometers per hour. How far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hour? How far apart? This is the distance. This is the distance. How far apart these two planes will be after 1.5 hour. So time is 1.5 hour. Okay. स्पीड ऑफ द टू प्लेन्स, टाइम इज द सेम. 1.5 घंटे के बाद दोनों का डिस्टेंस कितना होगा ये फाइंड करना है. आपको फाइंड करना है कि 1.5 घंटे के बाद वो कितने दूर होंगे एक दूसरे से. आर यू गेटिंग दैट? सो फॉर दैट पर्पस वी हैव टू मेक यूज ऑफ द फॉर्मूला स्पीड इज इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन टाइम. अब हमको तो स्पीड पता है, टाइम पता है, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द डिस्टेंस. So distance will be equal to speed into time, this formula. What will be distance? Distance will be speed into time. Now take the first plane. Distance covered by the first plane, that is AC, is the distance covered. Getting that? So distance covered by the first plane will be speed into time. Speed कितनी है उसकी? 1000. Time कितना है? 1.5 hour. तो 1.5 आर यानी 3/2 होता. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3/2. 1000 multiplied by 3/2, you can cancel 2 and 1000, that makes 500. So 500 multiplied by 3 is 1500 kilometers. So this distance AC in the figure, this distance AC is how much? 1500 kilometers. Getting that? Now come for the second plane. Distance covered by the plane, second plane, is nothing but your distance AB. In the figure, it is distance AB. So this AB will be how much? It will be 1600 multiplied by 3/2. So not 1600, sorry, 1200 multiplied by 3/2. 1200 kilometers per hour. It is traveling with a speed of 1200 kilometers per hour. So here you are going to write 1200 multiplied by 3/2. Cancel 2 and 1200. 2 6 are 12. So 600 multiplied by 3 gives you 1800 kilometers. So now you got the distance AB also. Distance AB is how much? This distance. This is how much? That is 1800 kilometers. This distance is 1800 kilometers and this distance is 1500 kilometers. Fine. Now we can apply Pythagoras theorem for this right triangle ABC. By Pythagoras theorem, what are we getting? BC square is AB square plus AC square. आपको BC square find करना है. How far they are? So BC find करना है. So BC square will be AB square plus AC square. 1800 square and 1500 square. 18 का square होता है 324. 100 का स्क्वायर 4 0 आ गए. 15 का स्क्वायर 225 और 100 का स्क्वायर फिर से 4 0 आ गए. नाउ वी कंटिन्यू विद द कैलकुलेशंस फर्दर. ओके. नाउ व्हाट वी डू इज this part. you have now BC square equal to 3 to 4. How many zeros? 4 zeros. Plus 2 to 5. Again 4 zeros. Addition करिए. 5 plus 4 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. And 5 plus 2 is 549. And 4 zeros. So your BC square is this. So BC will be what? Square root of 549. 1 2 3 4. 549 के फैक्टर्स अगर आप लेते हो तो दिस इज 61 इंटू 9. 9 1 जा 9, 9 6 जा 54. ये 4 zeros को आई एम राइटिंग इन दिस मैनर. 1 2 3 4. Getting that? Can you find out the square root of 61? No. Square root of 9 is 3. What is the square root of 10,000? It will be 100. Root 61 as it is. So here you will get 300 into root 61 is your distance BC. Means the two planes will be at a distance of 300 into root 61 kilometers apart. Okay, at a distance of 300 into root 61 kilometers apart after how many hours? After 1.5 hours. How far? You have to find out. How far apart will be the two planes after 1.5 hours? So they will be 300 into root 61 kilometers apart after 1.5 hours. I hope you understood this sum.